you guys, this is Beauty.
This is Beast.
We are here today with a mukbang from Popeyes chicken. But we got a little twist to this one because we was sent some of Mama McCrazy's and them hot sauce. So guess what? We gonna add a spin to this and put, you see these little bottles right here? These are her hot sauce. So we're gonna add that to this dish. So stay tuned. We'll be right back. Okay, and we back, you guys. We had to make sure we got us something to drink. So we are drinking out of our Coldest Water bottles. Like I always say, we're going to leave the description down below. If you want to get a discount on the Coldest Water bottle, just go to the link that I leave in the description and use our promo code Beauty in all caps, and you can get you a Coldest Water bottle too. You know, so with this review, like I said, we're eating Popeyes chicken and we're gonna try Mama McCrazy's hot sauce. So that's why I had to make sure I get my water. So let's say grace and get into this eating.
Let's go.
Amen. Okay, y'all. Y'all ready? Let's go. Let's eat. Let me get a taste of this first. Let me see.
Which one you gonna try?
Well, to my knowledge, this one I think is supposed to be the least of the hottest.
I'm gonna try number 2. Let's see. Oh shoot.
He poured a lot on there.
I want to try it too.
This one I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do the green one, y'all.
Ooh. Number 2 got some kick. I think I'm gonna try that style.
Oh, that's good.
That 2, that got some kick. Seriously.
We do? Hold on.
Yeah,
Let me see.
be careful.
Y'all, I'm not good with hot stuff, but let's see. So I'm trying to be careful. These are some cute little bottles they came in too. So you know that it packs a powerful punch when they come in little bottles like this.
I ain't gonna even lie, that number 2 got my mouth watering.
It's spicy. It's definitely spicy, but hold on, y'all. Hold on.
The verde good too.
The one of the like verde sauce. I'm gonna try the number 4. They look the same. It won't come out.
Perk it up.
Look, it's thick. It's hecka thick. I can't get it out, and I'm scared to pop it out. That it's gonna all jump out on my meat. And then I'm gonna be stuck with this.
Alright, I'll do it like this. Take a piece of this chicken off.
I'm trying to eat some mashed potatoes because let me see it.
That's more milder.
Oh, this is? So that one is hotter. It's the hottest. Y'all, let me tell y'all. This one tastes like a mild one, the mildest one, then this one, and then this one. They all taste good.
Yeah, they do.
My favorite actually is the green one.
I like this one, but
Oh, you like the hottest one?
I like the hot one. It's got a little kick to it. Keep my mouth watered. Like, should I give me some more, or is it too hot for black butter? So that's what that do to it. But that what number is this? Number 4. That's a good one too.
Look. Now you got me adding more. My tongue is dancing, y'all. My tongue is dancing.
Guess what? Got my tongue dancing.
No, this hot too. Try it.
It's hot.
To me. Yes. It's hot. Let me get some of these potatoes. I don't think I put enough on it the first time. It's hot, huh?
That was wrong.
Way wrong. Have me put more. Look. If y'all like spicy food, I'm telling you, go check out Mama Crazy's in them. I'm gonna leave her IG in the description, or I might have to go across right here what her IG is. You guys contact her through her IG, find out how much this sauce is. I'm gonna tell you, it's worth it. It's really good, but if you can stand the heat. If you can't stand the heat, then get out the kitchen.
That thing's spicy.
It's very spicy, but it's good. Look, y'all see I'm going back for more. And y'all know I'm picky when it comes to stuff.
This is better than Tabasco sauce.
It has a, how can I put it? It tastes very fresh.
It sneaks up on you.
It's a very fresh peppers, like fresh peppers taste. But I'm on fire. I am on fire, y'all.
Oh yeah. There's some good stuff.
Woo.
I'm enjoying it.
Y'all, I'm definitely not gonna stay longer in this video. I think I'm gonna need to go get me some milk. I'm gonna have to go get me some milk. My mouth is burning. So, I'm gonna end this video, you guys. I'm telling you, go check her out. You like spices, you will love this. Because I like it. I'm gonna be honest with you. These bottles gonna be gone. I don't care how hot my mouth may be burning, but I'm just gonna drink me some milk to cool it down. Because I'm definitely gonna finish these bottles off with some other things. Because I think it will be good on a burrito.
Yeah.
This will be real good on a burrito.
She got that diverse hot sauce.
It is. It seems like you are absolutely right. A diverse hot sauce. You can put it on nachos, chicken. You can put it on many different things the way this tastes. It tastes really good. But, whew, the more I talk, hold on. I said I was going to end this video, which I am, because I need to go get some milk. So, like I always say, if this is your first time here, welcome to B&BJ. Leave us a comment below, if you will, please. Don't forget, to hit that subscribe button. Do not forget to thumbs us up, and do not forget to share us out, because why? Because sharing is caring. Until next time, you guys. Bye. About to go get that milk.